If you want to learn how to open Lightroom on your computer, this quick guide will walk you through the simplest methods step by step. Whether you're using a desktop shortcut or opening it through Adobe Creative Cloud, I'll show you exactly what to do so you can launch Lightroom fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's start with the easiest method. If you already have Lightroom installed on your desktop, look for the Lightroom icon on your screen. It may be sitting on your desktop or in your apps list. Once you find it, simply double-click the Lightroom icon. After that, wait a few seconds and the app should open on its own. This is the fastest way to get into Lightroom if the shortcut is available and working properly. If you don't see the desktop icon, or if you prefer opening it another way, you can use Adobe Creative Cloud. First, open Adobe Creative Cloud on your PC. You can usually find it in your Start menu or Applications list. Once Creative Cloud is open, look for Lightroom in the list of installed Adobe apps. When you see it, click Lightroom, then select Open. Adobe Creative Cloud will launch the program for you, and after a short loading time, Lightroom should open successfully. Now, if Lightroom does not open right away, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try. First, restart your PC and try opening Lightroom again. A quick restart can fix minor software glitches that may be stopping the app from loading properly. If that still doesn't work, go back to Adobe Creative Cloud and open Lightroom from there instead of using the desktop shortcut. If Lightroom still won't launch, check whether it's installed properly on your system. Sometimes the app may not be fully installed or the shortcut may be broken. In that case, open Creative Cloud and confirm that Lightroom is showing as installed. If needed, you may need to repair or reinstall it to get it working again. So to recap, the main ways to open Lightroom are simple. Double-click the Lightroom desktop icon or open Adobe Creative Cloud and click Lightroom, then Open. And if there's a problem, restart your PC and check that the app is installed correctly. That's all it takes to get Lightroom open and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.